Hey YouTube, this is AOD Prods here with another equipment update on the Southern California Western Railroad. I acquired yesterday, or actually this morning, a brand new USA Trains ALCO PA-1 without the adjoining B and A units, primarily due to cost constraints, among other things. I primarily got just one unit, this one unit, just to test out the curvatures and the layout, and so far it runs pretty well in the Phase 1 trackage, so I'm really happy about that. Yeah, it's a really nice unit, beautiful. I've always loved ALCO PAs, so this is a definite, beautiful, accurate representation of the PA. If not the best. I think it's just gorgeous. Paint job's really nice. I didn't get the chrome version because it looks a little bit too cherried up, but to be prototypical. But I don't know. Maybe. The suspension on the trucks are very interesting. How it negotiates the curves. It has a outer axle here that pivots, and this makes it able to negotiate much tighter curves than it would if it was a solid 6 wheel block. I believe the minimum it can run on is 8 foot radii, 8 foot diameter, although it usually runs a lot better on 10 foot. The suspension is very nice. It's got the innermost journals. Let's see if I can get in here. They actually have the equalizer bars are actually prototypically hung, so that the suspension actually works on them. This particular one is 51B, which would have been the rearward facing A unit. 51L, or the lead unit, is included with the A-B set, which I did not acquire because of cost reasons, and also just to see if it would run, just to have one unit so I would be able to know if it would run or not. Tests have been pretty successful with this particular engine. Not really any problems so far. It's been kind of wet today, so I tried running her earlier this morning, but the rails were so wet that she unfortunately was slipping quite a bit, so had to pull her off the tracks for a while until it got drier. So yeah. So this is AOD Prods signing out.